Hello everyone, I'm NBC5 Storm Team Meteorologist Pete Sack. Got to deal with the heat for one more day here. We have an excessive heat warning through Tuesday for Cook County heat index values around 105. On Monday, the remainder of Monday, the county is shaded in tan there. Heat index values again around 105 with a heat advisory in effect. The remainder of the area on Tuesday, except for Northwest Indiana, will be an excessive heat warning. Heat index values could approach 115 degrees. And then for Northwest Indiana on Tuesday, there is a heat advisory. Heat index values could approach 110. Let's take a look at your hour-by-hour stormcast here. Now, as we go through the evening, no concerns about any precipitation, just got to deal with the hot temperatures. Readings are only going to drop to the low 80s by 9 o'clock, around 80 degrees by midnight. And then in the overnight time frame, notice how the model tries to paint a little bit of moisture. Isolated thunderstorm, not completely out of the question, but everybody going to get off to a warm start. Temperatures going to start out in the mid to upper 70s. As we go through our Tuesday, again, an isolated thunderstorm, not out of the question through the morning and the afternoon, but those dry times, that's when that thermometer is really going to soar. We're going to be looking at high temperatures come Tuesday afternoon. In the upper 90s, 100-degree temperatures, not out of the question. And when you factor in the humidity, heat index values will be anywhere from 105 to potentially 115. So another day to take precautions from the heat. Now, models showing some thunderstorms firing up around 9 o'clock. That comes with a caveat. The models don't do a very good job with convection like this with the air mass that we're in. So we do have the chance of thunderstorms, but it's not gospel that they're going to be occurring along and south of I-88 as the model is depicting here. But again, we do have that threat for some rain coming on Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. And with that threat will come the threat for severe weather. Damaging winds, small hail, and heavy downpours in that slight risk category. That's level 2 out of 5. Through our Wednesday here, we'll see isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures will cool off a little bit, but we're still going to be dealing with some nasty conditions overall because high temperatures will be in the upper 80s, but that feels like temperature still in the low to mid 90s. Here's a look at the next 10 days, and we do have some relief on the way. As you can see, temperatures will be falling as we enter the holiday weekend. Storms likely on Thursday, storms early on Friday, and then highs only around the 80-degree mark through the holiday weekend.